It's been almost 2 years since cryptocurrencies crashed. Bitcoin is no exception, though there has been a slight improvement in the price of Bitcoin over the last few months, but still it is long way down from its peak. Now, many people are wondering if there is a future for Bitcoin or not, and if Bitcoin mining makes sense in 2023 and beyond. Bitcoin mining refers to the process through which a new Bitcoin is introduced into the circulation. The mining process plays a crucial role in confirming new transactions and maintaining the Bitcoin blockchain ledger as an immutable record of transactions. In essence, miners use ASIC hardware to solve complex computational problems, with the first one to find the solution earning a reward of Bitcoin before the cycle restarts. Though Bitcoin mining can be time consuming, expensive, and can yield inconsistent rewards depending on price volatility, it still holds a strong allure for investors drawn to the idea of earning Bitcoin as compensation for their efforts. For tech savvy individuals and hobbyists, mining can be an intriguing opportunity for various reasons. But is Bitcoin mining still worth it? Well, to determine if Bitcoin mining will be worth it for you, equipment prospective miners should conduct cost benefit analysis to determine their break even points. Factors to consider include power costs, hardware costs, and efficiency, time, and the market value of Bitcoin. You can choose to factor in the current Bitcoin or BTC price or attempt to extrapolate where you believe the price of BTC will be in the future. But no one knows the future, so be very careful if you're predicting anything. The thing is that at the time of this video, when I checked, Bitcoin mining can be profitable for individuals who pay point 10 or less per kilowatt of power, which I think might not be possible in Australia. Access to energy at this price, however, can vary significantly across different regions, even in Australia, and depends upon if you're using solar or not, with some areas offering notably cheaper electricity than others. In terms of household electricity prices, several states in Australia might not be a good fit. But if you're in Middle East, then it will make good sense. For example, if you're in Saudi Arabia, Iran, Qatar, then the electricity prices are less, so you might have some luck there. But if you're in Europe, like in Denmark, Germany, or even in UK, the Bitcoin mining is a difficult proposition. Plus, the hardware costs are very high recently due to all the supply chain issues. Also, Bitcoin is is quite low from its November 2021 heights. So I think that maybe you would need to wait for the bull market to start doing it. So I believe that you should also think beyond cost benefit analysis because mining is an essential aspect of Bitcoin's decentralized transaction recording and validation process. Bitcoin mining serves a critical purpose by addressing an issue called double spending, a problem inherent in any digital currency system. Double spending is a digital equivalent of counterfeiting, which is kept in check in the physical world by middlemen like governments and banks. For Bitcoin, this need to trust third parties has been replaced largely because of the computational effort provided by miners. Maintaining that freedom from middlemen in addition to collecting revenue may be a motivation to contribute to the mining network for some. So these are the factors you need to consider if you're thinking of mining the Bitcoin in 2023 and 2024 or beyond. If you have any thoughts, please put them in the comment section. Thank you.